Hey Tech Fam! Today we're diving into the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7, the ultimate fashion meets function foldable, with a massive 4.1-inch cover screen, Exynos 2500 AI brain, and a design so sleek it makes heads turn. But does it actually improve your daily life, or is it just a pretty pocket accessory?
First impressions, stunning. This cold red is a statement and Samsung's matte glass finish hides fingerprints like a pro. But the real star, that 4.1-inch cover screen with 1.25mm bezels, finally a full rectangle display, no more awkward camera cutouts.
See this? 70% slimmer bezels than the Flip 6, and when folded it's 13.7mm thick, over 1mm thinner than last gen. At 188 grams, it's lighter than most flat flagships. This new Armor FlexHinge feels buttery but firm. IP48 rating means dust water resistance, and the Armor aluminum frame plus Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Let's talk Flex window. This 4.1-inch panel isn't just bigger, it's smarter. With 120Hz refresh rate and 2600 nits peak brightness, it's visible under direct sunlight. And Samsung finally fixed app support. Download Good Lock and boom, full app access. Replying to texts, easy. Scrolling TikTok, possible but tiny star. Pro tip, use Nowbar for music podcast controls. It's like a mini Spotify remote. This blew my mind. Set a selfie as wallpaper and AI moves the clock automatically so it doesn't block your face. No more manual tweaking. Powered by the R3nm Exynos 2500 EUR, this chip is all about efficiency. In benchmarks, it trails Snapdragon by 12%, but real-world, zero lag in social apps or multitaskings with 12GB RAM. Gaming, 30 minutes of Genshin at 60 frames per second, no throttling but it hits 42 degrees Celsius near the hinge. Avoid marathon sessions. 4300 mAh battery equals 5 to 6 hours screen time. With light use I hit 1.5 days, but heavy users pack a 25-watt charger, 0 to 50% in 30 minutes. No wireless in the box though. Same cameras as Flip 6. 50 megapixel main plus 12 megapixel ultra wide and selfie camera 10 megapixel. Sano. But the ProVisual engine as tweaks colors beautifully. Daylight shots pop, and here's some photos example of 50 megapixel main camera. And here are some photos example of 50 megapixel main camera zoom. And here's some photos example of 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. Vloggers rejoice, the hinge acts as a built-in tripod. Film in the FlexCam mode, no shaky hands, and the cover screen helps frame shots. AI is Z Flip7's secret weapon. Ask Gemini for anything via the cover screen. No unfolding needed. It'll show maps, prices, even call the restaurant. Now Brief gives a daily snapshot. Steps, meetings, weather. Perfect for morning coffee checks. My favorite feature, laptop mode. Fold it halfway and the bottom screen becomes a trackpad. Scroll Twitter, control YouTube, genius for desk snacking. Let's talk about pros and cons. Pros 1. Cover screen is game-changingly useful. Pros 2. Design, thin, gorgeous, durable. Pros 3. AI integration feels natural, not gimmicky. Pros 4. Selfie or vlog king with FlexCam. Let's talk about cons. Cons 1. No telephoto, zoom lens. Cons 2. Battery life just okay for power users. Cons 3. Exynos loses to Snapdragon in raw power. Cons 4. 100 plus for a secondary phone? So, who's the Z Flip7 for? If you barely crave style, love quick interactions, and vlog daily, this is a dream. But if you need all-day battery or pro zoom, go for the S25 Ultra. For me, that cover screen plus AI combo is addictive. It's the first foldable that truly replaces my slab phone. You drop a comment. Would you rock the Flip7? Smash like if this helped. Subscribe for more deep dives. Next up, more gadget reviews. Peace out.